Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Linux Mint on Chromebook. First, you'll need to enable developer mode on your Chromebook. This step is crucial as it allows for system modifications, but remember it will wipe your device, so back up all your important data beforehand. Next, download the latest Linux Mint ISO file. You'll want to save this to a USB drive, which will serve as your installation media. Ensure the USB drive has at least 8 GB of storage. Once developer mode is active and your data is safe, it's time to prepare your installation media. Use a reliable tool, such as Etcher, to create a bootable USB drive from the Linux Mint ISO file you downloaded. This process makes the USB drive capable of booting your Chromebook. After that, restart your Chromebook and access the boot menu, usually by pressing a specific key combination during startup. From there, select your USB drive to begin the Linux Mint installation. With your Chromebook booted from the USB drive, the Linux Mint installer will launch. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to guide you through the installation process. You'll be asked to select your preferred language, keyboard layout, and time zone. A critical step is allocating disk space. Ensure you give Linux Mint enough room to operate smoothly, perhaps 20 GB or more. Once these selections are made, the installation will proceed, copying all necessary files to your Chromebook. After the installation is complete, restart your Chromebook and remember to remove the USB drive. Your Chromebook should now boot directly into Linux Mint. You'll then go through a final setup, creating your user account and installing any available system updates to ensure everything is secure and current. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Linux Mint. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy exploring your new operating system and all its possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.